Hello friends, hope so you're doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Realme mobile Google Play Store error, or you're facing update Google Play Store error on your Realme mobile. So before you start the video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you're new to this channel. So to fix Realme Google Play Store problem or update Google Play Store problem, simply just go to settings and just follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. So hope so this will fix your problem.